So now guys, welcome back. If you are new to this my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe on this channel. Now you can see our pound JPY. You can see now our pound JPY has actually fallen. If you watch my weekly video, by the way, you see where I predicted that our price will actually be falling to this our key area here, and you can see our price actually did just that. Our price now drops, and now we are actually on a bull run again to test this our area here. Definitely we are going to be on a bull run to test this our area here. As you can see, if you listen to the news about yesterday, whereby our the Bank of England increased our interest rates, increase the interest rate, which make us have this bullish move. As you can see, make increase the interest rate. So since then we had this massive bull run. I can see the trend just starting to take off, and definitely we will be going up. And again, as you can see, if you are going to compare this our pound movement as we are predicting to go up against our JPY, we can see that our JPY is now about to fall. Why I highlighted this area is that on our 4-hour time frame we are still ranging. Definitely we are waiting for a break of structure below this area. We are definitely going to be breaking below this our structure area here, which I've just highlighted, and possibly to this our area here. So there's one movement uptrend, as how we are predicting our pound to actually be going uptrend, to actually be going bullish. Definitely we can see on our technical analysis on our JPY that our JPY is about to break below and continue going bearish. So that is an indication that our pound against our JPY would actually be going bullish. By the way, we might not be able to hit all the pips today, grab all the old pips to grab today, but probably we are going to continue that movement till next week to actually start go bullish. It is our key area up here, then probably we might see a fall or a breakout. But let's see how our price reacts, by the way. So above all, on our 4-hour time frame, let's go bullish on our pound JPY. Now on our 1-hour time frame, as you can see, we are on an uptrend move. Definitely we should be seeing a pullback around this our key area here. The reason is that we can see around that key area here. So definitely we should be able to see a pullback here, then a breakout, and continue uptrend move on our pound JPY for the day. So above all, let's go. And if you want to watch my previous video on when I predicted when our pound will fall, you can go back. I did a weekly analysis. You will to see it, and you will to know that I was actually correct. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this my channel. Thank you very much.